There'd be something missing from the Christmas dinner table if you didn't have cranberry sauce. And it's easy to make tangy cranberry sauce at home. And you can make it ahead, so there's no rushing on Christmas Day. I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy cranberry sauce, and we're going to level it up with a little bit of extra Christmas cheer with a good splash of port. You'll need 300 grams or 3 cups of cranberries, 125 grams or 3/4 of a cup of golden caster sugar, the zest and juice of 1 large orange, and 80 ml or 1/3 of a cup of port. If you don't want alcohol in your cranberry sauce, you can leave out the port completely and add in an extra 3 tablespoons of orange juice and 2 tablespoons of water. This is such an easy recipe, you just need to throw all the ingredients in the pan at the same time. So add in the cranberries. You can use fresh or frozen cranberries, and then the golden caster sugar. We like our cranberry sauce with a little bit of sweetness in there, but you can reduce the amount of sugar by up to half if you like a really tart cranberry sauce. Next in goes the port and the zest and juice of an orange. Now stir it all together and bring to the boil, and simmer for about 6 to 8 minutes until the cranberries soften and start to burst. You want to get to about this consistency. Don't worry if it looks a little bit thin at this point, as it will thicken up as it cools. And if you like your cranberry sauce a little bit smoother, then just use the back of a fork or a potato masher and crush those cranberries more until you get the consistency that you want. Allow the sauce to cool and then transfer to a jar or a tub with a lid, and you can refrigerate for up to a week. And there you go, that's how to make an easy homemade cranberry sauce to make Christmas dinner that little bit extra special. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of all of our new recipe videos. See you next time.